What's up, fellas? How we doing? Back at the Little Twins project on the Cobra. It's actually like a Friday. I came in early because I'm excited about the build. I still feel like it's far away, but it's not too bad. Right now I'm working on the little mount for the turbo off of this little Maven. And I got this pipe to fit real good on the roll bar down here, guys. You see that? I just gotta put it in the right spot. There it is. You guys see that fit right there? So I'm gonna weld that up to the mount, and then I'll clean up this whole roll bar area and we'll tack it on there. So I'm gonna TIG weld it all in, guys. So yeah, see how it looks. It's gonna something like that. Hard to tell. Sorry, it's only me right now. But yeah, it's gonna have a little support for the turbo, so it's not just hanging there on the pipes. You know, when they get hot, thing gets weak and expand and contract. So that's what these mounts are for. When you have like a mounted turbo somewhere off of a manifold, you know. So that's what we're gonna do right now, guys. Give me a second to set up and I'll show you what we got going on. Here it is, look at there. Here we go. Right there? Right there. Don't push it though.
No, I'm just holding it.
Alright, here she is, tacked in, fellas. Alright, let's get that thing off and put it on the bench now and weld her up. Alright, guys. I know that the tube should really go like in there, but it's gonna get welded all around because I have such a short throw, you know. So we'll make that work. It's gonna be solid. So hang on a second and I'll show you what it looks like when we're all done. What's up, fellas? Saturday, me and my brother, we playing around with our cars. This little car right here is giving me a headache. Little bro got this coupe Christmas and he's slowly but surely been keeping it up, modifying it, cleaning everything on it, and he wants to turn it into black interior, huh? Ditch the blue.
Little by little.
Clean car. Got some plans for it.
A little something.
A little something. But here's my wife's convertible. You guys ain't never seen the bottom of that. Bassani, tubular K-member, UPR, everything. Love this little convertible. Someday we'll get it back. But I'm over here working on the Cobra, fellas. Yeah, take a look at this real quick. This cold side, guys. Look how short this is gonna be. Oh man. Just this little quick one, 45 right here, bam. I think I'm gonna shorten this in here so I can move it in a little bit. And man, that's gonna look killer, guys. Check that out. On this side, I got this whole area cleaned up because I got my Maven mount. Check it out, guys. Here's the mount. It's gonna go right down to the roll bar. So I got everything mocked up pretty good right now. So I'm gonna mount it up and mount this turbo in for good, guys. Well, not the turbo, but this little mount. So give me a second and then I'll tack it up with a TIG welder. Then I'll take the turbo out and we'll weld her in for good, guys. All right, keep it tuned. All right, guys, I got it all mounted in there. You guys can see that. That's how it's gonna go. So I'm gonna try to sneak the TIG welder in there. I got it fit pretty good. So I just gotta push this down a little. Let me tap it down with a hammer. And we'll be good, fellas. So keep it tuned. I won't be able to get the camera in here, but I'll show you what it looks like once I got it all out. Alright, guys. There it is. Check that baby out. Whole freaking car moves. Look at that. So, safe to say that these Maven mounts make a difference, you know. Keep that turbo up nice and solid, and none of this flex or weight on this little exhaust. So turbo is pretty heavy, you guys, you know, 30 pounds I would say. So I'll mock this turbo and we'll see how it looks. Hey guys. All right, let's see. Oh, beautiful, guys. Look at that. It was that easy. Well, that's it, guys. That's how it mounts. The V-band goes right onto the mount. Oh man, isn't that awesome when you build something custom? It just fits right. Awesome, guys. So I'll get this thing on, and we'll start working on this side, cold side, and I'll get this one shortened up a little so it kicks it in a little tighter. So there's a nice little update for you guys. Catch up with you guys in a little bit. All right, keep it tuned. All right, guys, I've had this little bead roller for a minute, and it's pretty useful, and I got pretty lucky actually. Doing the cold sides, actually just both pipes are gonna be the same size, so I got lucky. So pretty much you just put this in, roll it around. Best to have this thing kind of hanging off the edge. Here it is. Go around in a full circle. So when you go around once, you tighten it up a little bit. Keep going. This could probably get clamped to the table right here, just for fun. Got this little neat vise that I like to, of course it's gonna hit. Keep going in a circle. Starts making a dimple. And there it is. Just don't want that coupler to slip off. One more try. That should be good. Freaking good. Alright, guys. So you guys can see now it's a nice bead roll. So let me get the other one done, and I'll get them up in the car and we'll take a look. Alright, guys. Easy little cold side charge pipes, and then we got to build our charge pipe to the intake, so that will require some welding. Alright, fellas, you guys can start to see this turbo kit's really taking some shape. Nice little charge pipe right there. Woo! Hopefully she spools up. And I guess next thing we got to do is mount the wastegates, guys. So This thing right here is gonna challenge me. I think I'm gonna do a AN hose right up here and see if that's better. I was just playing with this right here. I got this little aluminum tube Summit has, so we'll play with that and see how that looks. But as far as that goes, guys, this turbo's mounted. You gotta finish that mount on that side, and she's solid. Downpipes and some exhaust, and then we gotta wire her up, guys. So keep it tuned. She's starting to look like something. All right, hope you guys are liking the build, and it's coming along. All right, guys, take it easy, enjoy the turbo stuff.
Tryna play me, they ain't no better. Perp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. Bitch, and now I made plays, so they all look jealous. Oh my god, now they all look jealous. Brand new drip, hope they all got umbrellas. Y'all don't fit in, call them all Cinderellas. And I heard your last